क्या आप एक कॉलेज स्टूडेंट हैं? क्या आप भी एक फूडी हैं? क्या आप भी चाहते हैं कि आपके सारे पैसे खाने पर ना खर्च हो? तो यस, यही आपके लिए सही जगह है। Guys, this video is very special for me because I myself am a very big foodie. I love all sorts of food. I mean those cheesy burgers, the Rocky Road shake and the pasta with butter chicken curry, and damn, my mouth is watering. And I'm sure by now you guys must have guessed it that who am I talking about. It's the Big Yellow Door, and today we have the owners of Big Yellow Door, Udit Kanijo and his wife Shira Kanijo, who will talk about their fascination for food, their love story and the startup of their business. Big Yellow Door, it's a very odd name. So how did you come up with this name?
First planned a big yellow door.
Not big. Basically पहले
Not
था
a big,
yellow door.
Okay.
फिर लगा कि अगर हम उसको बड़ा करेंगे तो it will be more attractive and catchy and definitely it will look better. फिर उसको टेढ़ा करेंगे तो और भी अच्छा लगेगा. ये कुछ भी हम day one से डिसाइड किया था कि येलो होएगा, बड़ा होएगा and tilted होएगा. एक के बाद एक step by step these things start coming.
So meanwhile I had a list of names कि क्या रखा जाए. So one fine day my sister Sanya वो कहती है
डोर है, येलो है, बड़ा भी है, बिग येलो डोर बोल देते हैं. बात तो सही है, अच्छा नाम है एंड इट फिट ऑल दोस पैरामीटर्स जो उदित ने एक लिस्ट बनाई हुई थी. चेक 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 चेक.
Yeah, so it just came up.
That's how we came up with the name.
Chala, lucky name for you guys. What about the menu? I mean, who got this idea of mixing pizza and butter chicken and pasta with butter chicken?
My favorite dish, you know, in Mughlai cuisine is butter chicken, and by far, by any stretch of means, in North India, majority people like butter chicken. That's the top of the line.
No doubt. Yeah.
So I just thought, why not combine pasta and butter chicken?
Plus
Initially, when we started Big Yellow Door, तब नहीं था ये butter chicken pasta और butter chicken pizza. But you know, based on the feedback, जैसे लोग आते थे, let's say people of my father's age, let's say in the bracket of 40 to 50, वो लोग जब आते थे, they like pizzas, वो pizza खाते थे और end में बोलते थे, यार बहुत अच्छा है,
satisfaction नहीं हुई.
but एक अंदर से ना टिपिकल पंजाबी तृप्ति नहीं हुई वो खा के, satisfaction नहीं हुई.
तृष्णा नहीं मुकी.
हाँ, बस. So I thought that these people like butter chicken, these people like pizza, so why not combine those two
Again,
things?
this is his logical side talking. He's very impulsive. इसको everyday he needs to cook something new, experiment. कभी-कभी बहुत बेकार होता है, but most of the times अच्छा होता है. So one fine day is like butter chicken भी खाना है, pizza भी खाना है, क्या करें? रात को आधी रात उठ के चलो butter chicken pizza बनाते हैं. That is how new recipes comes up with him. कभी कुछ प्लानिंग नहीं होती. ये इतना जो लॉजिक की बातें हो रही है ये सब बाद में फिट होती हैं. पहले एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग होती है, कुछ नया करते हैं. That is how we come everything.
It's more of impulse.
Yeah.
Okay, that is your creation.
Yeah.
So whose creativity is the interiors of Big Yellow Door?
She's responsible for the interiors, and I'm responsible for the food.
Okay. Tell me one thing that makes Big Yellow Door unique. Like one thing that no other restaurant has, but Big Yellow Door does.
See, I would rather put it this way, that I have not done anything, you know, I have not tried to reinvent the wheel altogether. It has lots of influence from my, you know, college days. I was in Bombay, so it has a lot of Bombay culture into it.
Okay.
You won't find small cafes in Delhi because जगह बहुत है Delhi. Bombay में जगह is
हाँ, जगह कम है.
बहुत कम. So it has a lot of influence from there. The food, the ambience.
Warmth जो है हमारी,
Yeah.
we feel there's warmness in
No,
it.
there is
Positive
definitely
vibes
is.
in there. Anyone can come anytime.
Very lively it is.
Very lively and very
Yeah.
comfortable. We don't want anyone to deck up and come to Big Yellow Door. We want them to be stoned and come to Big Yellow Door.
Yeah.
I've been to a lot of restaurants and I like going to different restaurants and trying different food over there. I've seen that most of the restaurants serve shisha and alcohol, but you don't, and still it's a big success. Don't you think that by adding shisha and alcohol, it could have been an advantage to you?
I'm not
Not
sure about
necessarily.
I'm not sure about shisha because, but I'm a strong believer that yes, we should have, you know, soft liquor just like wines and beers, but we're not allowed to keep it.
You can get the license for that.
No,
We
we're
can't
not. We
get it.
can't get licenses in university areas.
Near the university areas you can't.
Okay.
But
So
then-
are you planning on?
Yes, to be very honest, yes, that I
Okay.
am, you know, we are actually planning to get this culture into India. India does
They
not
can
have a
have beer with
culture.
pizza, they can have beer with burger.
Yeah.
The same we have outside India. It's a culture there. They have to
Yeah.
have beer.
यहाँ पे
Coke.
बाहर यहाँ पे लोग आते हैं कोक दे दो,
Yeah.
यहाँ पे कोक नहीं होता. बाहर क्या होता है, you just walk into a restaurant, वहाँ पे फ्रिज लगा हो, just open the fridge, grab a beer, and then you sit onto a
इतना
table.
अच्छा कल्चर तो नहीं है.
This is something, you know, that is pretty जो है बाहर, which is common outside India. So we are trying in future outlets कि हम ये culture को यहाँ पे इंडिया में ला सकें.
But then I feel it's not necessary. That's my personal point. It's not.
Yes, it
we
is
don't
not necessary
need it
at
to
all.
Make the
Yeah, you don't need it because Big Yellow Door is a success. But I'm just saying कि कोई थोड़ा advantage हो सकता था आपके लिए.
नहीं, actually नहीं, क्योंकि
Those are two business segments. ज़रूरी नहीं
If
है
we
कि
do-
if we are focusing, we are just focusing on one thing. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हमको दोनों we have to combine
no need to
everything.
merge those two things. Even with that, अगर हम हुक्का रखें तो there were various different things जो हमें सोचनी पड़ती और जो एक्स्ट्रा करनी पड़ती, लेकिन उनकी कोई नीड नहीं है. इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी कि बंदा खाना खाने आया तो उसको हुक्का चाहिए ही चाहिए. If they are coming
True.
for a hookah, they would. And secondly, from the business point of view, I think if anyone wants to come for a hookah, they would want a very comfortable sitting. They would want couches, they
Yeah.
want low sitting. I think that would make them
Yeah.
more happy. मेरे को तो मज़ा आता है, मैं नीचे बैठ के हुक्का मारती हूँ. तो उतनी ना तो हमारे पास जगह है ना हमारा वो. That's not what we wanted to create. We wanted to create
We
small
just wanted to
cafe.
focus on good food.
Good food and
Which you've done.
ambience.
Yeah,
Yes.
so just good food.
Okay.
ज़रूरी नहीं है कि शीशा होना चाहिए. That's a different ball.
That is a different.
पूरा
Yeah, that's a
different
different
business
concept.
model पूरा.
What about the interior? Who amongst you is more creative? So how did you get the idea?
Idea. जब हमने स्टार्ट किया, आई एम नॉट इंटीरियर डिजाइनर.
Yeah, सब कुछ ना हमारे टिप्स एंड बिट्स में हमारे माइंड में होता है कि ये चीज़ अच्छी थी,
मेरे
वहाँ पे वो चीज़ अच्छी थी,
मेरे।
इसके mind में होता है।
Credit दे दो वहाँ पे.
खाने का क्रेडिट मैं नहीं लेती ना. जब हमने स्टार्ट किया, we went to various interior designers. बहुत सारे लोगों के पास हम गए थे. First of all, they were charging huge amount of money. But वो भी चलो एक बार को we could have thought about it कि कर सकते हैं किसी तरह. लेकिन they couldn't just get what we wanted. मतलब
Yeah.
उनको समझ ही नहीं आ रहा
The
था कि what
creativity
we
level
wanted.
of, you know, the interior design that we made was very low.
Not
not-
low, it's just different.
टेस्ट नहीं मैच कर रहा, जो हमारे को चाहिए था
जो
किसी को
भी
समझ नहीं
चीज़-
आता था.
हाँ.
जो हम बोलते थे लोग कहते थे यार ये तो
Possible ही नहीं
20 साल
है.
पहले होता था,
या
क्या
तुम
कर रहे हो अब आप?
जंगल बना रहे हो. मतलब they were like outdated हो and कुछ चीज़ें impossible थी और कुछ चीज़ें उनके लिए outdated थी. So in the end हमें कोई मिल ही नहीं रहा था. So
Yeah.
he showed me the confidence कि शिरा चल खुद कर सकते हैं. इतनी भी कोई रॉकेट साइंस नहीं है. स्टेप बाई स्टेप चलते हैं. We can do it ourselves. फिर वहाँ से धीरे धीरे मैं बैठ. Then also I wanted to create something very very different. Something which people would see and say यार ये क्या है, ये तो नहीं देखा कभी. So ये आइडिया था, ये कुछ डिफरेंट, कुछ न्यू.
विजन इसका होता है, इम्प्लीमेंट मैं करवाता हूँ. So this is how we work.
मेरी कोई भी चीज़ मैं जो बनाती हूँ या जो मेरे माइंड में होता है वो मुझे नहीं पता वहाँ तक कैसे पहुँचेगा. that is where he comes in इंटीरियर्स में. कोई लाइट
Implementing your plans.
कोई मुझे लाइट एक पर्टिकुलर तरह से पर्टिकुलर एंगल में एक जगह लगवानी है जो कि पॉसिबल नहीं लगता मुझको. बट ही कम्स अप विद अ वेरी इनोवेटिव आइडिया कि इसको ऐसे करके पीछे पता नहीं क्या साइंस लगाता है वो. लेकिन वो हो जाता है.
What has been your proudest moment at work?
In the very beginning, we didn't plan to do this kind of this service. We didn't plan to give them the service. We planned to open a
Self-service and-
kind of a thing. Yeah. So on the very first day, we were not prepared for that kind of response that we got. Yes, and एकदम से 2-3 customers के बाद we realized that this self service is not going to work. It's all going to collapse. तो वहाँ पे हमारे कुछ cousins थे and हम दोनों. So we became waiters and we became the chef. There were
We were not prepared for such a response. इतने ज़्यादा लोग आ गए उनको cater करने के लिए, वहाँ ना मैन पावर थी ना वहाँ पे इतने skills थे तब.
भी नहीं थे हमारे पास. There's-
So-
in fact, the recipes of various different things, they were not prepared, like wholly prepared. So he put on the chef hat and he was like, मैं बनाता हूँ. And इसने on the spot recipes create करी, on the spot he made it. I was there in the kitchen managing the whole thing, which is not easy. And we just started rolling. Like
the first day of Big Yellow Door,
Yeah.
the opening,
Hmm.
you got a huge response.
Yes, we
Did you do any marketing?
No,
Not at all.
not at all.
I think our marketing that was also very proud moment for me. It took us a lot of time to make that place.
Yeah.
And it took us 4 months.
क्योंकि कुछ
Like
प्लान
all
नहीं
by
था ना,
yourself.
कुछ
All by-
प्लान नहीं था, तो 4 महीने लगे जब तक वो बन रहा था. There were people, there were students
और वो-
passing by the place.
इतनी क्रिएटिव चीज़ें करते रहते थे. वॉल पे ड्राइंग कर रहे हैं, बैनर पे उसके शटर पे पेंटिंग कर रहे हैं रात को 2-2 3-3 बजे. और बहुत यूनिवर्सिटी एरिया है तो रात को भी इट्स वेरी अलाइव. तो
मजा आया होगा यार, तो बड़ा करने में
बहुत मजा आता है यार.
मेरे को.
So
Yeah.
that is how our marketing happened. People went crazy कि ये क्या हो रहा है इधर? What the fuck is happening?
This was something new in this area.
Yes, in this area they have never seen something like this. Hudson Lane में पहले कोई और रेस्टोरेंट नहीं था except Cuties, I think, right?
Yeah, there were 4 restaurants and we were the first cafe.
Yeah, we were the first cafe. So everyone was like, what the fuck is happening? We need to come here. So firstly they came and asked कि ये जगह क्या है? They didn't really realize कि एक रेस्टोरेंट या एक कैफे है. They're like कोई आर्ट प्लेस है, ये क्या चल रहा है?
यही एक वजह थी, the first set of people जो आए थे वो ये सोच के आए थे क्या चीज़ है. So when they entered,
people started coming and they started asking कि भाई कब खुलेगा? When are you guys going to open? So that was one of the very proud moment for us. Okay, thank God. And second proud moment was जब हमने सब कुछ खुद करा and we just started doing things. वो we didn't realize हमें and we didn't expect कि हम लोग इतना खुद कर लेंगे, but we did it.
but in a way that was good. We got to know, we got to learn कि ये सारी चीज़ें होती कैसे.
कुछ भी उनको हम डिलीवर करते थे तो फिर हम जाके पूछते हैं हमेशा कि guys what do you feel about it? Do you think that there is need of any change?
The feedback.
The feedbacks, yeah, that is how the feedbacks came in. Firstly, we didn't had those chits. हम लोग सब कुछ verbally करते थे. Then धीरे धीरे हमें realize हुआ कि हम हर एक customer को cater नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि धीरे धीरे
शुरू से हमारे पास थे, तूने बनाए तो थे वो.
हाँ
हमारे पास शुरू से चिट्स नहीं थी.
Handmade
she made some handmade cool
Feedback
looking
slips,
feedback stuff जो आइसक्रीम की डंडी पे वो लगा हुआ है.
I should get a discount on it now. What are your future plans now?
We are coming up with 2 more outlets this year and
We're planning, yeah.
we are planning and maybe 3 next year.
And you'll be opening out of Delhi as well?
yes.
Yes, in future, yes, but not in near future. I don't see.
There are so
Okay.
many places in Delhi to cover as of now.
Yep.
We would first focus on that and then we'll go outside.
So after Delhi, which place?
Goa, I think.
नहीं, to be honest अभी कुछ
भी लगा रहेगा वहाँ पे.
So
Vacation
first
की vacation हो
3
जाएगी.
महीने हम वहीं रहेंगे.
अभी इतना कुछ सोचा नहीं है यार, to be very honest, but दिल्ली से बाहर जाएंगे, yes, we will.
कहाँ जाएंगे?
अभी नहीं पता.
Subscribe, like, share and comment.